And a good day to everyone. I'm Jewel. Welcome to J7409 Weather. So happy and glad you stopped by and check out the weather with all of us here at J7409 Weather. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to click subscribe and click that bell to ensure you get all the latest in weather news, whether it's warnings and watches or tropical weather, whatever it may be. I'll be sure and get it up for you. Of course, this is the GFS map this morning. I'm going to turn it on right quick, and I'm not going to elaborate. It's looking like much of the eastern half of the country, I don't say this much, is going to enjoy pleasant and dry weather through the weekend. Look at that. That's just little splash and dash showers over here. And look at all the nice weather. Of course, now here's a timestamp. We're already up to August the 4th over here. It will run through. But other things going on now. The southwest monsoon season is going to continue to favor some scattered showers and some flash flooding. That's going to be down around in these areas, okay? Hot temperatures still out west as we're still cool over on the east coast. The west coast is hot. This is going to progress over as the days go by. So far as severe weather goes and thunderstorms, I'm going to show you all that in just a second, looking mostly like it's going to be from the Arrowhead of Minnesota into western upper Michigan, and then some few severe thunderstorms are possible later on across Wisconsin and northern Nebraska into southeast Wyoming. And these storms will contain hail and damaging winds. The tornado threat is looking very, very, very low. I will go ahead and tell you there's nothing in the Gulf to report, nothing in the Atlantic to report so far as tropical weather goes. There's nothing out there right now, folks, and it looks like it won't be for the next 5 days, maybe even longer. If anything happens, I'll be sure and get it up for you. Now this low pressure right here, it's going to continue to bring splash and dash showers and thunderstorms for the entire Gulf Coast, as you can see, up into Georgia, maybe hitting South Carolina and Florida. You've got it all over the state. Good chance for these thunderstorms and rain showers to form also over western North Carolina up into West Virginia, parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and a large portion for my friends up in Canada here. As you can see, anywhere you see these green dots going all the way over to California and portions of Oregon and the lower portion of Idaho, you can have a chance of some thunder showers. Not severe though, but thunder showers could happen, and also just plain old rain. And if you need it, that's a welcome thing. I was talking about the monsoon season and where the flash flooding and heavy rain could occur, and this is what it's looking like for today. Just a little bit of Colorado, New Mexico, portions down in Mexico here, and over to the western of Mexico. This is where the most severe should happen today, so let's go check out the categorical map. And as you can see, right up in here, this is the most severe area right in here with this slight risk of some severe weather today. And it is from the Arrowhead of Minnesota into the western upper section of Michigan and a little bit of Wisconsin. Then it goes to the marginal effect, as I was talking later, down in Nebraska and Wyoming. Also, as it comes down into Minnesota, all the way up here. Other than that, splash and dash showers. Everywhere you see the green, I say this every day, do not rule out the chance of a thunderstorm. It depends on how hot and what your humidity readings get. Dew point readings, all kind of things of whether your area may get a really severe storm. But always watch the skies during this time of the year because anything is possible to happen. When it comes to the tornado outlook, it's very low, folks, for this area, only 2%. When we check out the wind, the most severe wind should be from the Arrowhead over into upper Michigan, maybe a little of Wisconsin. You do have that chance of maybe Some winds picking up over here in Nebraska, also in Wyoming. And for the hail outlook, 5%. That's low, folks. Could happen, might not, for the very same areas. And that's a check of your weather today. Looking like a lot of folks are going to have a great Friday with nice temperatures, no rain at all. That chance of rain is possible anywhere, though. It's this time of the year. So, that all said and done, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so very much. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your thumbs up. Thanks for sharing this information. If anything pops up looking really bad, I'll be sure and get it up. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.